What is up, everybody? It's Derek with Nightwater Project, nightwaterproject.com. Check out our website more for some original music and some holiday music, as well as some unique cover songs. It's mainstream music, but better. So, if you watch some of our videos, you see that we post quite a bit of Strasburg videos and put it to our music. We are huge fans of Strasburg Railroad, and we got a chance today to see the live virtual, I think it's called Virtual Railway, live video of 475 in action, getting ready for a test run today, getting ready for her time in the next handful of weeks with Norfolk and Western's 611. So if you haven't noticed, the headlight is no longer on the top of the boiler. It is in the middle of the boiler, and as well as some old school font saying Norfolk and Western on the train as well, on the tender specifically. And the font's kind of cool, and at first, honestly, I did not like this too much, but I will have to say that after watching the video today, I would say that it's pretty darn cool. It's growing on me. So at first I was like, oh my gosh, they better go back to that after the 611 event, because it looks ugly. And yes, to an extent it does look ugly, but we also have to remember when this engine was built, when they ran this old school setup and so forth. So it'll be great for photographers, great for videographers, and the public, just to see how this engine has evolved over time and what it looked like back in those days. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like in person. And when they did their test run, they were going pretty darn fast down the line to Paradise. So it's very cool. It's very cool. It'll be, like I said, it'll be very interesting to see if they keep this setup this way, or if once the 611 event concludes, if they go back to the regular scheme and stuff. So think about it. They have 3 trains in operation again. They have 90, they have 89, and now they have 475. And the whole rebuild for 475 took only a handful of months. So they must have put in a ton of tireless hours into that project. So what's next on the list? Hey, how about engine 31, Strasburg? It's still sitting in the mechanical shop. Do something with it, please. But that's another story. Anyways, hopefully the events will go well. Start this weekend. And if you have not seen that engine, as far as what it looks like now, take a look at it. Hope you're able to get out to the event. It'll be awesome. And again, my name's Derek with Nightwater Project, nightwaterproject.com. Check out some of our videos on our page regarding in regards to Strasburg Railroad, and also look up our stuff on iTunes, Amazon, and any digital distribution and download and streaming apps that you listen to music as well. I think you'll quite enjoy it. So again, my name is Derek, Nightwater Project, nightwaterproject.com.